Hello students, so this is the book of your class 6 and we are going to read or discuss about class 6 mathematics book chapter number 1 and this is number system. You all students are familiar with this chapter. Many points like face value and place value you know. As you know that face value means which is shown by his face. Its face value, and if you talk about place value, so at what place is its place value? Okay, so if we are coming on any, we are just come on first chapter, first exercise first A. First A, if we look at first question, the question 1 is that express the following numbers in words. Express the following numbers in words. First part is 5, 3, 0, 6, 0, 0. So we will have to write it in words. This is in numeral form. This is in numeral form, and we will have to write it in words. So was it? Sorry, can you tell? Yeah, you can write in your own notebook. So first of thing, we should count ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Next term, 10,000s and lakhs. So 5,30,000 and 600. I think you all got this thing. 5,30,000 and 600. Okay. So next part is that 2748166. 2748166. Here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 27 lakhs. 27 lakhs and 48. 40. There is question. 48,166. I think you all have got. If you have any problem, you can comment given after this video. And if you have any problem, you can comment. Okay, below the video you will have option of comment. You can. Okay, so here are two numbers and the other two numbers is for you. You will have to do other two numbers and I will tell questions. What is question? So third term is that 81003 81003 547. I can answer but I won't write on the board. So first one is that 5,30,000 and 600. Okay. The other one 27,48,166 And the third one is 8 crore 10 lakh 3,547. Here first question has finished. Now we will come on the second part or second question. First we should erase it. So here second question is that we have got question is that write the following numbers in the figures. Write the following numbers in figures means the above question was that number was given in figures, we would have to write in words. Now this is in figures, we will write in words. So first question is that I will answer only one question. Other you will solve. First, okay, we should take another marker. There is a new marker for you. The first question is that 60 lakh 40,000 and 12. Sixty lakh 40,000 and 12. Here is the answer. This is the answer of your question. The other one is that 11 lakh 6,007. 11 lakh 6,007. I want to write question, I will directly give answer. So 11 lakh 6,007. Okay, and all other remaining part you will have to solve. If you face any type of problem, you can comment, okay, or call me. Now we will come on the third question. Third question is that firstly we should erase it. Here we have erased. Now third question is before you. Write the face value and place value of the even digits in each of the following. Means we will have to write the face and place value of even digits in each of the following. First part of third question is before you. 4, 3, 2, 6, 5, 7, 8, 1. Now we will write the even digits. As you know that even are those numbers which can divided by 2 perfectly. Okay. So even numbers in this part 4, 2, 6, 8. Other are odds. Okay. So first number 4 for the digit 4. For 4 face value is, as you know that face value is its own value. 4 face value of any number is the number itself. Okay, face value of 4 is 4. And if we talk about place value, so place value 4, how many numbers after 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. we should write 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here the part for 4 has done. It means ones, tens, thousands, hundreds, one, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakhs, crore. Means 4 crore. Okay. Now 2 and 6, 8. For the digit 8, face value 8 and place value means 8 0. If 8 1, 8 0. And if we talk about for 2, so face value is itself 2, and if we talk about place value, the place value of 2 is 2 and 3. 2 after 5 zeros. 3 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 we should write 2 and 5 zeros after it. And the remaining part 6. For 6, face value is for 6 face value 6 itself, and place value 6 and 2, 4. 6 and 4 zeros. Got it? I think every student has got it. If still any problem, you can comment below. Here we have solved 3 questions. Now we should come on the question number 4. Question number 4 is that write the difference of the place values of the odd digits. We will have to write the difference of the place value. We will find the difference of place values of odd digits, in each of the following. First part is (34, 34, 67, 80). First part 34, 67, 80. And we will find the difference of place values of odd digits. As you know that odd digits are those which can't be divided by 2 perfectly. So first thing you find how many odd numbers are there in this question. So first one is 3, the other one is 7. There are only 2 odd numbers in this question. We will find the difference between their place values. So first we should write place value of 3. What is 3? We should write 3. And how many figures after 3? 2 to 4 to 6. 1. So we should write 6 zeros. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other odd number is 7. 7. How many figures after 7? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So difference, or you can also write here the difference between place values of the odd numbers, or you can write the required value. Okay. As you like, you can write required value. I have written in short, but you will have to write in full, expanded form, okay? 1, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6, 3, 3, 6 minus 7. Okay, so here we will write the difference between 0, 0, 0, 3, 9, 9,